We are not going to get or to be involved in politics, but we want to tell the employer that the circular we received last month is null and void. We are going to involve ourselves in politics 100%. Walimu mnasemaje? That we are going to be involved in politics 100%.
Every citizen of this republic has a right to support his party of choice. Walimu, they are citizens of this republic. So we are saying we cannot allow segregation, that we are not participating in politics. We have a right to align ourselves to the political wing which we think will assist us teachers. So tunataka kusema yule ambayo anasema mambo ya walimu wasiingie kwa siasa is somebody who is daydreaming, and we will not allow that.